Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset your TikTok password. First, open your TikTok application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app loads, you will need to find the Login option, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this to proceed to the login page. This is where we will initiate the password reset, ensuring you can quickly get back into your account. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password, link, and tap it. TikTok will then present you with two options for verification, using your registered phone number or your associated email address. Select the method you currently have access to, as this is where a verification code will be sent. It is crucial to pick the one you can readily check. After choosing your recovery method, TikTok will immediately send a 6-digit verification code. Check your phone's messages or your email inbox for this code. It is important to find and enter this code into the TikTok app within about 1 minute of receiving it, as the code will expire. This step confirms your identity and allows you to proceed securely. Now, you will be directed to a screen where you can create your brand new password. This password needs to be robust and secure, with a length of at least 8 characters, but no more than 20. For optimal protection, incorporate a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one special character. This makes your account much harder for unauthorized individuals to access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.